Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Visual Studio 2022 on your Windows 11 computer. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up a web browser of your choice and just navigate over to google.com, type in Visual Studio 2022. Go ahead and search for it. One of the best results should be a Visual Studio page hosted by Microsoft, Visual Studio 2022. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Download Visual Studio button, and you can select either the Community, Professional, or Enterprise versions. So again, Community is free for individual developers, academic users, and open source. Professional is free trial for individual use, and Enterprise is also a free trial for organizations. Most of you guys are probably downloading the community version, so go ahead and select that and give it a moment here. It should begin automatically. Go ahead and open up that file once it's done downloading and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You can close out of the web browser at this time. So go ahead and select continue once you agree to the Microsoft terms. Okay guys, so at this point, go ahead and customize the installer. And then once you're done customizing it, you can select install while downloading and then select install. Do you want to continue without workloads? I mean, obviously this will be customized based on your own specifications here, but we're going to go ahead and select continue. And we're going to have a check mark to start after installation. And then if you want to sign in, you can. Otherwise, I'm going to select not now, maybe later, and then start Visual Studio. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.